Alright, today's Saturday, still Saturday, November 17, I believe, 2018. It's about 6:30 at night. I'm getting ready to seal this entire car. I got 4 quarts of sprayable mixed up. It's been inducing for 30 minutes each. I just waxed and greased all this 2 times. It's not going to get any cleaner than it is, so I'm ready to hook up the gun and spray. It's about 65 degrees in here, so shouldn't be many bugs, although there was a bird in here when I was mixing the epoxy, believe it or not. So there's a bird in here somewhere. Try to shoo him out, but he wasn't having it. So I'm gonna go 2 coats on this. I mixed it, let me see, I got it written down. 12-ounce paint, 12-ounce hardener, 6-ounce reducer, and it's about as thick as a base coat. I didn't like it before. I mean, it was okay, but it was very thin. This is going to be more like a base, so I'm just going to spray 2 coats, leave it overnight, come in the morning, sweep up a little bit, base and clear. We just wrapped up first coat of epoxy, and I think that's going to do it. Man, night and day difference in the way it was reduced. 1 coat, 1 wet coat. Laid out really nice. It's really wet. Not a whole lot of texture going on. Man, I'm loving it. This is what I expected out of the sealer. Really, the first time around. I don't know. I over-reduced it the first time. Earlier today. This one's already starting to dry a little bit. It's getting a little matted finish. That's what it should do. This one needs a little bit more to cover that, or not. I don't know, man. Maybe not. I'd hate to spray more and then a bug land on it. Needs a little bit more on this hood. Let's see a filler breaking through there. Trunk is good. Sprayed nice and even. 10 psi. Put 6 ounces or 12 ounces of paint, 12 ounces of activator, 6 ounces of reducer. So that's 6 ounces of reducer out of 30 ounces of paint, which is 1/5. So I guess it's reduced 20% instead of 50%. Night and day difference. Laid out really good. So I got to write that down, because that's the recipe for this stuff, or at least it worked in my end. Got the firewall. I did have a couple. Ooh, got a nasty run right there. Okay. Yeah, I laid it too wet in some spots. Well, the firewall is kind of tricky because you have the rotisserie in the way. It's kind of awkward, but that's okay. I can come back tomorrow morning and knock that down. That's the whole point of doing this the night before. Let it sit overnight, come back in the morning, knock down whatever with 600 or 800, and shoot your base. I mixed way too much paint. I mixed twice as much as I needed, so what a waste. Maybe I can find something to spray in the next 120 hours. But yeah, what a waste. That's okay. That's all right. My main thing is I wanted it covered, I wanted it uniform, and it did everything in 1 coat. Well, with the exception of this little breakthrough on the hood. I'm going to wait about another 20 minutes. I'm going to redo this hood, and I'm going to redo this door over here. And that's going to be a wrap for tonight. No runs on the big panels. That's good. On the quarter panels, no runs. I'm liking it. Stay tuned.